Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've been holding off in reporting that the solar flux index has jumped up because I was afraid it would come back down again. But it's been up for quite a few days, and currently it's 151. We haven't seen over 150 for several years, and the current sunspot number is 124. Oh my gosh. But the A index is high. It's 11. That's not good. So we just have to look at, have to see how things are going. If I come down here, here's the graph, and the red is the solar flux, and you can see it went up for a couple of days and then it came back down. I thought, well, okay, it's over, and then it skyrocketed up to 151. So we're just going to have to see how reception actually is. Again, what was the A index? I think it was the A index. Yeah, the A index is pretty high too. You don't want that to be high. So they're getting a lot of solar activity with all these sunspots. So check it out. Turn on your shortwave radio and see how you do. Hopefully you won't get a lot of noise, background noise, and you can pick up some distant stations. I'm going to try it first thing tomorrow morning when it's cooler down in my shack. And have a great day. Bye-bye.